Welcome to this channel. My name is Efogo Joseph, your anchor man at the Free Genuine Airdrops. In this video, I'll be showing you how to buy Ton coin from the Bybit exchange. How to buy Ton coin from the Bybit exchange, because Ton has become an in-demand coin. So a lot of persons are searching for how to buy it to use for their airdrops and the rest, or for even for investment, to buy and keep for the future. So I will teach you how you're going to do that right away. But before we go ahead, kindly hit the subscribe button so that you'll be receiving updates whenever new videos are published. So let's head on to the Bybit platform. Okay, here is Bybit. We are right on the home page of Bybit. So to do your transaction, you don't require so many things. You just look at this place. There is a link here that says spot. So we are going to be buying our coin from the spot market. So you're going to click on that spot. Okay. So you open it. It brings you directly to the interface where you can buy and sell any of the coins that are listed on the Bybit exchange. So having gotten to this place, this is what you need to do again. Go to this place. Remember, you are going to buy Ton. And what you have here is ANKRO/USDT. None of them is answering Ton. So we're going to look for Ton/USDT. So we'll click on this place and type in Ton manually. Or we can search if you want to search, but it's easier to just type it in. Okay. You type your Ton into this place. You can see that this is your search button. So you type Ton into there, and then Ton will come up. Sorry, our network is a bit poor and it is difficult to... Okay, now Ton has actually come up, and here is what we need. Here is what we need. Ton/USDT spot. Note that there is spot there. This other one is token. This other one is Tommy, and this is Ton/USDC. That is not what we need, except you are buying to collect, except you are using your USDC coin to buy. Otherwise, the easiest one is to use the Ton USDT. So that is what we're going to be using. Now, I already have a few USDT in my account. So we're going to click on that and open it. Ton/USDT. And here is the current price of the coin. Ton coin is currently going for 5.572. Okay. And if you are going to buy, that same price should be reflecting in this place. Okay. So it's either you are going to type, okay, now it's 5.573 for both sides. So it's either you're going to type it manually here or you do some other things. Now, also take note of this, which is your buy button. If you are going to buy, you're going to be using that is highlighted in green. If you are going to sell your coin, you already have it. You will click this that says sell so that you will sell it. Now, note that presently we have 3.44 whatever as our USDT. And that is what we'll be using for this trade. Okay. All right. Now that we are aware of the amount you have and how you're going to use it, let's look at how much of this we are going to be spending. Assume I'm going to spend the total, or maybe half of that coin, half of that amount. You will be looking at this place to adjust your trade. If this is 0%, the one that is highlighted yellow, this one that is the next button is 25%. This one is 50%. This is 75%, while the last one is 100%. So for any trade you want to make, you will click on those areas according to how much you want to, or you will manually come to this place. You will manually come to this place and put in the amount of USDT you want to spend. If it is 2 USDT, you type it. If it is 1 USDT, you type it there. That is one way to do it. The other way is to use 25%, 50%, 75%, 100% of the amount you have. So assume we want to spend the whole 3.44 to buy. We would simply do this. We will click on this place. So let's click it now. What do you have? You have all the money reflecting in this place. Can you see 3.39953 USDT? So presently, Toncoin has risen again from what we met to 5.577. Initially, it was 5.573. So we're going to make a decision either to leave it at that 5.573, that when it readjusts back, it will buy, or we're going to buy at this present market real-time price. So if we're going to buy at that market real-time price, it's either we come here and type in that 0.77, or we click here. If we click here, the price will directly change into the bus. So let's click on that 5.577. Can you see it? The price have readjusted. So after you have clicked on that, you just click this buy button, and you will see it now. Let's click on the buy button. Network 2. So my network is a little problematic. That's why you see that this thing is not executed immediately. All right. Now that it has come to this place, you still click on the buy button again, this one, to complete your transaction. So buy ton. So you can see that it is trying to execute your trade. Okay, you see order submitted successfully. That just reflected at the top. And here, oh, something is happening, and that is serious. You can see here, orders 1 in bracket. It means that you have a pending order that has not been executed. Why has it not been executed? We started this business with this price, 5.577, and the market has gone up to 5.83. So it cannot execute, except this price will have to drop back to 5.577. When it gets to that, your order will be executed. So that is virtually how to buy your coin. Unfortunately, as it is now, we cannot buy now, except we have to cancel the trade and readjust the price upward again. But sometimes you want to do that, the price can fall to where originally you kept it. So, but you have an idea what it means and how you're going to place your order. So the moment the price drops back to 5.577, your trade will be executed, and this will automatically go to 0 orders pending. So that is how to buy your Ton coin. Now, before you close this button, remember that this lesson is not supposed just to tell you only how to buy Ton coin. So that next time you want to buy, maybe you want to buy Pepe, you want to buy Shiba Inu, you want to buy Solana, you don't keep asking me again, how are you going to do it again? I will now shoot another video for you. What you simply do at that time is to come to this place. The same way you came here, you just come here, having clicked on whatever, you clicked on the spot from the beginning, you come here and readjust. You just click into the box and look for the particular coin you want to buy. If it's Solana, you type in Solana. Solana will come on Solana/USDT under spot. You will see spot written under it. And then you click that, you execute your business. If it is Shiba Inu, The same thing that happened if it is any of this coin that you just want to buy that is not there, if it is Ethereum, it's the same way. So you don't need another lesson for that. The only thing you need to understand is that when you have your USDT, that is where you are going to execute your trade. All right, thank you. If you find this lesson helpful, remember to like it, drop a comment, and share the video with your friends. See you in our next lesson. God bless you.